Last question, number 21. A change machine contains nickels, dimes, and quarters. There are 75 coins in the machine, so it contains nickels, dimes, and quarters, and there's 75 of them. And the value of the coins is $7.25. So we're just going to make that hundreds. So 5N plus 10D plus 25Q equals 725. You guys see what I did there? I just multiplied everything by 100 because it would have been 5 cents, 10 cents, 25 cents, and now it's 725 cents as well. There are 5 times as many nickels as dimes. So our nickels equal 5 dimes. This is a great example to use substitution. So let's set it up. So we're just going to replace, anywhere we see N, we're going to replace with 5D. So let's rewrite those two equations using that. So instead of N, I'm going to use 5D plus D plus Q equals 75. And so 5 times 5D plus 10D plus 25Q equals 725. So the top becomes, sum like terms, it's going to be 6D plus Q equals 75. The bottom ones, 5 times 5 is 25 plus 10 is 35. So 35D plus 25Q equals 725. All right, so look for the least common denominator. Okay, we're going to be hard pressed to really find one here, I believe. So let's just multiply the top one by 25 because that seems to be pretty easy. We'll do negative 25, in fact. Actually, we'll leave it positive 25. 6 times 25 is 150D plus 25Q equals 75 times 25. Okay, I don't have a calculator with me, so we'll just do it old school. So I got 1875. All right, and then we're just going to move over, and we're going to change the signs of everything in just a second. 35D plus 25DQ equals 725. So now we can just go and subtract. It should be fairly relatively simple. So we want to subtract, so let's change our signs on everything. So make them all negative over here. So our solution is going to be 115D, the Q's cancel, equal 1150. So our dimes equal, we have 10 dimes. Okay. So, we go back in, so we have 10 dimes. Let's erase our work here. So we can plug it in, so N is going to equal 5 times D, which is 10. So we have 50 nickels. We know we have a total of 75 coins, so we know nickels plus dimes plus quarters equals 75. If we have 50 nickels, 10 dimes, how many quarters must we have? So that's going to be 60, so subtract 60 on each side. Q is going to be 15. So we have 50 nickels. All right. We have 10 dimes. And we have 15 quarters. And we can double check that if we need to, but we trust our work, so we're done. Right, that finishes up the Section 6 review.